This is Mark from the QuickBooks team. Payment links allow you to create and share a link with your customers to collect their payment. They work once and will automatically expire after your customer pays you. A payment link is great for getting paid for a single product or service from a single customer when you expect them to pay you within a day or two. However, if you need to create an invoice to give your customer more time to pay, then you should add an online payment option to your invoice instead. Here's a link to a separate video that will show you how. To create a payment link, select Payment Links. Note your navigation may look like this. If you already have a QuickBooks Payments account, select Create My Link to make your first link. If you don't have a payments account, you can sign up for one here by selecting Get Started. There's also a link to a video to show you how at the end of this one. You can customize your payment link URL by entering your business name if you'd like. This step is optional. Next, enter the amount you want your customer to pay and a description of what they're paying for. Note that your customer will see this description. Select a customer name from the drop-down or add in a new customer. Then, add the customer email that you want to send the link to. Choose how you want your customer to pay you. Once everything looks good, select Send Payment Link to send this payment link to your customer via email. Now you have the option to copy your link, to send it through an alternate email, or to text message if you prefer. Or you can display your payment link as a QR code to allow customers to scan it and pay right in front of you. When your customer selects your payment link, they'll go to a page where they can pay you. From here, they can choose their preferred method of payment. And don't worry, they don't need to have a QuickBooks account to pay. Once they pay you, you'll receive a confirmation email. Select Payment Links to view the status of your links, such as viewed, sent, paid, and deposited. You can also see if any errors have occurred, or if customers have run into problems using your links. You could send reminders, view link details, and edit your link if it hasn't been viewed by a customer yet. If your customer has paid using the link, you'll be able to view the sales receipt created for that transaction. Now you're ready to get paid quickly, anytime, anywhere, by creating a payment link.